Okay, so I had to do a little sawzall work. The frame of the Grom, it's got this little bracket, and the pipe that comes down the middle through the bottom of the bike wasn't seating properly within on the header. So let me show you. Obviously the header's right here. When the header pipe comes down, right here, there was a bracket that went across here. And the pipe itself was hitting. It wasn't getting proper seated. So it's not structurally integral. It's just a piece that they use to strengthen for the stock exhaust. The bolts would go here. But since the stock exhaust is off, I just cut a little lip, so see how it fits in there now? So I just needed that much little space. I've been at it for a couple hours, but you know what? I'm having a really good time. This is a lot of fun, and I'm so excited for the transformation to be happening. So I'm glad everyone here is commenting and watching. It means a lot. It's a lot of fun, and I'm hoping you guys like it as well. Me and my crazy ass antics, but I appreciate everybody watching since the beginning to even new people watching now. So shout out to everybody who's watches the videos and likes them, and to all my subscribers, I appreciate it. Yeah, so we're gonna keep on keeping on, and then I'll come back with another quick update. All right, so I was working on this late last night. Oh, and I have the header coming through. I had to sawzall a bit off of the frame because the header pipe goes up for the Y, so I had to compensate for cut the frame so I can actually lift it the way that it needs to be lifted. We're now at this point, what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing the metal. They were smooth. You just slowly, I wrap it around like so, just so I know that it's fitted. Then I grab my vise here, fit the two pieces in with each other like so, just to complete the bend. So that will go around each of the tanks and exhaust, and I just bent the other one, so just to keep the shape, because these straps bend very easily from the previous exhausts that I've had. So we're at full bend now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my nut and my bolt. You know, I only mocked up the pieces. I didn't tighten everything down so I can move as I need to. Ooh, that is freaking tight, man. Let's do nut, bolt, through here. Ah. Ooh! I can tell you one thing, this is freaking tight, so I can just ever so little get it in there. Ooh! Do a nut. Okay. Oh, wow. Woo! That is tight. Man. All right, other side. Other pipe, other side. Other pipe. Bolt. I feel like I should get washers just to hold that weight. But I don't have any more washers. Oh, I can always add that later. The hell with it. Alright. Alright. Bolt on top. Nut. Oh, feels wonderful on my thumb. Come on, you freaking nut. Okay. Yeah, okay. Woo! That looks cool. Whoa. Hopefully the plate will fit right in between that. They look a little off, but I gotta tighten it down. Oh, yes, dude, yes. Freaking perfect. The plate fits. This is so exciting. Before I even bought a Grom, I just saw him on the road. I'm like, man, I'm gonna get one. And I had a vision for it before I even owned one. And I'm now making that vision happen. This is possible. What a fun project over the course of 3 years. I know I've only started YouTube for a year, like a couple months now, but man, I get so involved so often, and then I forget to even film or take pictures because I'm just so focused on what I want to do. But I'm trying to take more pictures and more video and things like that because I always forget. And that goes for anything too. And when I'm out in life as I go, I just kind of live in the moment and I don't take my phone out to like take pictures. I don't know. I'm weird like that. I'm not a typical millennial as people say, but this is cool, man. That is on freaking point. But anyway, enough talk. Let's fire this thing up because that's the real reason why we're here, right? That's what's freaking cool about it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get my key in. Ooh. Let's go. Freaking sick, bro. Be turning heads. People are like, what the hell is that? Me and a little tiny Grom fucking slammed to the ground. Anyway, dude, I hope you guys like that. I had so much fun building this thing. So much fun building this thing. What a trip it was. I'm glad you guys are sticking with me. I'm glad, you know, for all the people who's watched me since the beginning. And anyone else who's joining, man, welcome. Welcome, have fun. Talk about it, whatever. Laugh at me, whatever. But, you know, the best thing is whether you drive a 125 or an 1800 big boy, you know, we're all part of a brotherhood. We all drive on two wheels. And, all I can say, man, is hit it, rip it, whip it around town. Whatever you got, have fun. Just be safe and rock on, alrighty? Catch you later.